Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Caravelle. This vehicle has done just over 66,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side.